What's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I'm super stoked to be doing this unboxing and review video of the brand new Caudabe Sheath case for my iPhone 14 Pro. Now they will make this for all of the iPhone 14, so I will link Caudabe's website down in the description. But the reason why I'm excited about this case is because this is my favorite case for my iPhone 13 Pro. I did that review, you can follow the card up above, but this was my favorite case of all time for my 13 Pro. So let's see if that can continue on with the 14 Pro. So as far as the packaging goes, it looks very similar to the 13 Pro's packaging. So it kind of has this really cool matte black look, kind of has this cool little pattern here. You got a picture of the actual phone case there, but like I said, it is the Sheath, and it does say that it is drop tested to 6.6 feet, MagSafe compatible, and a textured grip, which I can definitely vouch for that it does have. And then on the back, just kind of talks about the minimalist perfection and all that fun stuff as well. And then there is some information about social media and their website. So let's get this bad boy out. So you slide it open. This is what you're greeted with. So you got a cover here that you will, I guess, pull out as well. Okay, all right. So let's see. Oh, okay, so you lift it up this time and it reveals the case. So we'll put that right there. Some information inside of it. So once again, talking about Caudabe and their minimalist perfection. And then relax, you're covered. So there's some information about support with Caudabe as well. So let's get that out of the way. And let's look at the main attraction. So this is pretty identical to the 13 Pro case. So I'm okay with that. It has this fantastic texture on the back. It is one of my favorite cases to hold. The interior does have kind of this harder plastic shell in here. As you can see, you got the MagSafe magnets built in there. And then here it just has a serial number at the top left-hand corner, Caudabe branding there at the bottom. Reinforced kind of sides and corners. Has a little bit of flex, but not a whole lot, since it does have that harder shell inside that's going up against the phone. So let's grab the 14 Pro in space black and let's slap it on. So we'll start with the buttons on the volume up and down side, and then just push in, and that is all she wrote. So there it is, guys. There is the Caudabe Sheath installed on my 14 Pro. Like I said, the texture, I can't explain it through the video, but all I have to say, guys, is go buy this. It's 35 bucks, by the way, but this texture is one of the best feeling cases of all time, in my opinion. You have very simple Caudabe branding there at the bottom. We do have a little touch of high gloss black with this line right there, and that continues to the side right there as well. With the lip around the actual camera bump, it's very slim, very small, but as you can see, it is going to protect the lenses, so they're nicely recessed in there, but it's not just a giant lip around it, which I'm a really big fan of, kind of going with the whole theme of minimalist perfection. So moving to the side here, we do have a power button here that does have a high gloss black circling around it, and you can kind of see that line there. And then moving to the bottom, we have our cutouts here for the lightning port and our speakers. And then moving to this side over here, we have our volume up and down buttons, which kind of the same thing, kind of have that high gloss black kind of surrounding them. And then a more rectangular cutout there for the alert slider. Moving to the top, obviously nothing, but I just like to show you that top down view to see how little those lips do stick out. So very, very minimal when it comes to that. Looking at the front, very minimal lips as well, but enough to get the job done. A little more prominent on the forehead and chin, but as you can see here, definitely has some lips on the front. Looking at it from the front as well, you can see how slim the case is up against the phone, so looks very nice. And then kind of getting a little bit of a closer shot, you can see how the cutout is where the actual cutout for the speaker is up there. So it is tempered glass friendly as well, by the way. I do have a full tempered glass installed, so that is also awesome. So now let's do the wobble test. So putting it face down, there is no shaking at all. It is completely flat. But going back down, so at the bottom in the middle, there's no shaking going on. It's where you get to that corner on the opposite side of the camera bump. It's just the same, guys, with all other 14 Pro cases. It's almost inevitable that I would say like 90% of these cases are going to shake. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test and see how responsive they are. So let's do power button first. And volume up and down. All right, so very tactile buttons. So big thumbs up, big win for the clicky button test. And now let's see how easy it is to get to that alert slider, and just to kind of see how, do you got to use your fingernails? Can you use the side of your finger? And I'm using the side of my finger and it's working just fine. You can see the dynamic island switching back and forth between ring and silent. So very easy to get to that. And then last but not least, yes, it is a MagSafe case, but let's test the capabilities of that MagSafe magnet and see how strong it is. So I'm going to grab my MagSafe charger, got that right here. Let's slap it on. And as you can see, guys, MagSafe compatible. Didn't have a thought or worry in mind about that, but you got to show it for the video. So it is MagSafe charging compatible. The magnets on the Caudabe cases are some of the best magnets as well. Like, it literally holds on so snug, and I can swing it around, I can shaking it, and it's not coming off, guys. So it is easily one of the strongest magnets as well when it comes to cases, and you can use this with your car accessories in your vehicle and all that good stuff, or if you have a MagSafe charger kind of mount in your home on your office. But all in all, guys, I honestly, and Caudabe didn't pay me, this is my complete honest opinion, my favorite case of all time still. I've tested so far about 15 different iPhone 14 Pro cases, and I just know in my heart this is still going to take the #1 spot. It's super slim, has a fantastic texture, no fingerprint issues, no smudge issues with my oils of my hands. It holds up well, guys, and it just feels fantastic in the hand. I can't get over how much it feels good in the hand. So there you have it. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.